Hey, this is David from Guys with Games. Today's game is called Odd One Out. So you're gonna need to do a little bit of prep beforehand. Let's say you've got 4 teams like I do here. Carson, Dustin, Jimena, and David. So I need to have 4 note cards or pieces of scrap paper and write on those note cards vocabulary words or words that your students know. So 3 of them are going to be the same word. So on 3 of them I'll write cat, 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 and then on 1 of them I'll write dog. And then I'll go around to each team. Let's say I start with Carson, and he has to use 1 sentence, or sometimes I'll say 1 word to describe what they have on their card. So Carson might say pet. Jimena says stinky. David says, I can't say bow wow, but David says bone. And Dustin says mouse. Okay? So now we all have to vote on who has the different animal or the different word. And if you are correct, the teacher knows who has the different word. If your team is correct and you vote David because he has dog, then your team gets a point. Now, the way that Carson plays it is David is the spy, so he'll get a point if nobody guesses his team, okay? If he has the different word. So it gives the students a little bit more incentive to make their description of the word a little bit vague, if you will. And none of the teams know if they have the different word, so every team is going to kind of make their description vague in that sense. So we're gonna play around and see how we go. All right? Cool, so I don't know what anyone has, so that's how I'm able to play this right now. So everyone take a card. All right, look at your card. Okay, so I'm gonna start with Carson here, and give me a sentence describing your word.
There is an eagle in this place.
Okay, there is an eagle in this place. Jimena.
This country speaks English.
This country speaks English, all right. Dustin.
It's very polarized.
Wow, very political. It's very polarized, is what Dustin says. And I'll go last. It's very cold here. All right, so now everyone has given their description, and I'll start again with Carson. Carson, who do you think has the different word?
Can I choose myself?
Yes, you can. Okay.
I will choose David. I think David has the
Different word. All right, Carson says David. Who do you say?
David.
All right, Dustin?
David.
Wow, maybe I'm a bad spy. And I say David because I made the cards. So, what's your word, Carson?
Mine is the USA.
USA. Jimena.
USA.
Dustin.
USA.
And David. Canada. All right, so David was the odd one out. So in this situation where everyone figured out who the spy was, I'm not going to give myself a point either. I'm not going to give the spy a point. So Dustin gets a point, Carson gets a point, Jimena gets a point, and I don't get a point because everyone figured out who I was. My hint was too easy. All right, we're going to play one more round of this, and this time, so this was a little bit difficult, Canada and USA. This one will be a little bit more easy for younger classes. Yo, I don't see any. I don't see anything. All right, everyone take a card. I'll give you that one. All right. So, everyone can see their card. I'll erase everyone's votes from before. All right, this time let's start with Dustin. How about you describe your word in 1 sentence?
It's very physical.
It's very physical. Right, and I'll go next. It's very, it's a sport from North America. Yeah.
Okay, you wear a lot of equipment to play this.
Okay.
It's a very international sport.
It's a very international sport. Okay, I thought this was going to be easier, but it looks like we've made it a little bit more difficult. We figured out how to play the game. So, Dustin, who do you think has the different word?
Ooh, I'm gonna go with Jimena.
Okay, Jimena said it's very international. Me, I think Jimena has a different one as well.
I think David, has the different one.
Okay, and Jimena?
I think I have the different one.
Okay, so 3 votes for Jimena. 1, 2, 3, and Carson thinks David. So, what do you have, Dustin?
Hockey.
I have hockey.
I have hockey too.
Basketball.
Jimena has basketball. So, Dustin will get a point. I will get a point. Jimena will get a point because she did fool Carson over here. And I'm sorry, Carson. We are the losers of the game. Okay, so.
They play hockey in every European country.
But that's not
It could have been anyone.
Yeah, but that's the point of the
It could have
game.
been American football.
That's true.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's the point of the game, is to try and make your descriptions of words as vague and general as possible, or to just kind of hide the vocabulary word that you have while still being true to the definition of the word. There are a couple different ways to play this, and so I don't know, Carson or Dustin might add some more examples, but if not, we'll come back with another way of playing this game. Odd One Out, it's a great game for practicing definitions of words and describing things. So, see you next time.